In this lesson, let's talk about Villus. Villus are found in the dry zone and are shallow areas that get filled with water during the rainy season. Floodwaters from Mahaveli fill these shallow places with water and form the Villus. Therefore, Villus are found in the Mahaveli floodplains and Vilpattu National Park. They are fertile lands due to sediment coming from the rivers. Villus associated with forests are rich in wildlife. We get elephants, birds, deer, wild buffalo in these areas. The vegetation is dominant with grasses and sedges, that is what we call pang in Sinhala. Next, let's talk about reservoirs. They are man-made. They are found mainly in the dry zone. Ancient kings have built huge reservoirs like Kalavavar and Parakrama Samudra used for irrigation. Free-floating invasive alien plants like Japan Jabara, that's Iconia, and Salvinia are found in these. Many reservoirs have introduced fish species like tilapia and Indian carps, which we have introduced for purposes of aquaculture.